Hi class, how are you today? That's brilliant! The learning target for today is to use the segment addition postulate to find the lengths of a line segment. The scale to be a 3, you can solve any missing length of a line segment. 2, you can solve for a missing length when the line segment is split up only into 2 parts. 1, you can find the missing length of a line segment when no variables are involved. And 0, you cannot find the missing lengths of a line segment. Let's get started. The segment addition postulate says, if a point B lies on a line segment AC, then the line segment AB plus the line segment BC is equal to the entire line segment AC. So say we have a line segment with endpoints A and C, and we have a point B somewhere on that line segment, then AB plus BC is equal to AC. So say that AB was 5 and BC was 9. That would mean that the whole thing is 5 plus 9, which is 14. Alright, so now in this problem we have point B is on line segment AC. So line segment AC is the entire line segment. Then we have line segment AC is 35, line segment AB is 19, and they want you to find line segment BC. So that means since AC is the whole thing, and AB is part of it, BC is the other part. So that means that AC is equal to AB plus BC. Well, we know AC is 35 and AB is 19, and we need to find BC. So to solve for BC, let's subtract 19 from both sides, and that'll give us BC is equal to 16. Alright, now let's look at this problem. We have line segment AB is equal to 2x plus 5, line segment BC is 9, and line segment AC is 3x minus 2. And they want you to find line segment AC. So to show you on the picture, we have AB is 2x plus 5, BC is 9, and we know that the whole thing is 3x minus 2. So, using the segment addition postulate, that means that 2x plus 5 plus 9 is equal to 3x minus 2. Because AB plus BC is equal to AC. So these two added together will give us the whole thing. And then we use our algebra skills and solve for x. So if we combine like terms, we'll get 2x plus 14 equals 3x minus 2. Then subtract 2x from both sides, and that'll give us 14 equals x minus 2. So add 2 to both sides, and that'll give us x equals 16. So now that we know that x equals 16, we need to use that to find AC. So we know that AC is 3x minus 2. So then that means AC is going to be 3 times 16 minus 2, which is 48 minus 2. So AC is going to be 46. And that's our final answer. Alright, this problem right here may look a little tricky. So what we have here is GF is 3x plus 3. HF is 8x. And this is referring to this line up here. It's just down below to show how far it goes. GE is 4x plus 2, and HE is 26. Now, first thing you would think to do would be to add two of them together and have them equal a third. However, that is impossible in this one because there aren't two things that add to a third. There's no two parts of the line segment that will add to a third part of the line segment. So, what you'll have to do is addition, but also some subtraction. So, let's say you were looking at adding these two together. Well, you can add those together. Let's look at it if you were to add those together, just the segments. So, this right here, 8x, is HG and GF. So, let's say we have HG plus GF, and that would give us 8x. And then this one right here, 4x plus 2, is GF plus FE. Okay. So GF plus FE. The problem we've been given there, however, is that we've added GF twice. Now, if we added HG, GF, and FE, that would give us HE, but with an extra GF. So that means when we add our 8x and 4x plus 2, that'll equal 26, but then we have to add an extra GF, 3x plus 3. So let's do that. So we're going to have 8x plus 4x plus 2 equals 26, but then plus 3x plus 3. And then we're going to have to solve for x. So remembering back from Algebra 1 on how to solve an equation, first we need to combine like terms. So 8x plus 4x is 12x, and then the plus 2 is there. And then on the right side we can add 26 and 3, and that'll give us 29 plus 3x. Then we have x's on both sides, so we want to get those together first. So subtract the smaller one, that would be the 3x, from both sides. And that will give us 9x plus 2 equals 29. Then subtract 2 from both sides. And that will give us 9x equals 27. Divide both sides by 9. And that will give us x equals 3. And now that we know x equals 3, we have to find GE. So we know that GE is equal to 4x plus 2. And x is 3. So that means 4 times 3 plus 2. So that'll be 12 plus 2, which is 14. So GE is 14. Alright, now for the sponge activity. So for this, I want you to solve for each specified length. So in problem number 1, find TV. Problem number 2, find QR. And it gives you the measurements for each. So what I want you to do is solve both of these. Remember, you have to attempt it to get full credit. If you get both of them correct, you'll get a bonus point on the next test. Please remember, take notes on the entire lesson and attempt the sponge. And if you would also add your ranking from the scale, whatever you think you're at, a 3, a 2, a 0, or a 1. I don't know why I skipped order, but I did. Please write that down as well and submit it to eBackpack. So I want the notes, the sponge activity, and just your numbered ranking. If you even want to just circle on your scale which you think you are, that's perfectly fine. So just take a picture of all of those and submit them to eBackpack. Have a good night.